everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to easily visualize data from a plate reader using our Constellab platform. This tutorial focuses on data from the BioLector XT by Beckman, but keep in mind that other plate readers can also be connected to Constellab using the same pipeline approach. We have already developed a dashboard for visualizing data from Tecan, and you can create your own dashboards to share with the community. In the first part of this tutorial, we will focus on how to visualize and analyze the result. To do this, I'm using an app. First, I need to upload the files from the BioLector XT. I start by uploading the raw data, which is a CSV file, and next I upload the metadata file containing the experiment configuration. Once both files are operating, the analysis app becomes available. It presents your data in a clear, human-readable format, allowing you to visualize the result and perform detailed analysis easily. To present quickly the dashboard, on the left sidebar, there is a representation of a microplate. When hovering over the wheels, information for each wheel is displayed. We will return to this microplate later. You also have 3 pages: table, plot, and analysis. In the first one, you can view different tables showing your result. Select the observer you want to display, for example, biomass, which shows the value for each well over the time. If you prefer to focus on specific wells, you can select them directly on the microplate. Selected wells are highlighted in green, and the table updates to display only this result. To deselect a wells, click it again, or use Reset Wells to clear your selection. If you would jump in the second page, Plot, you can see a plot of all observers for all wells. You can here also select specific observers and the time unit, hours, minutes, second, and the display mode between individual or mean. If you select specific wells on the microplate, the plot focuses only on those curves. Choosing means calculates the average of the selected wells, and you can optionally display an error band to enrich the plot. Finally, the last page, analysis, is a more advanced page where we can see the growth rate and the absorbance. Thus, for the well selected, you have the estimated growth rate and the maximum absorbance values. Below, a plot displays the raw data alongside the fitted curves for reference. We have just seen how to quickly and easily visualize and analyze results from BioLector XT experiment. You can access the app directly using the link in the video description below. Simply click to explore and interact with the dashboard yourself. In the next part of the video, we'll cover how to connect to a BioLector XT instrument, retrieve the data, visualize and analyze the result, just like we have seen so far. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you need to create a new scenario. Let's name it BioLector Dashboard. After clicking Save, my scenario is created. Next, I click on Add a process and filter by GW's plate reader. This brick contains all the necessary processes to work with plate readers. From there, I select BioLector Dashboard in red. I add an output, and in the parameters, I enter my credentials to connect to the BioLector XT. And then I save my configuration. Now I can run the scenario. Once the scenario is executed, I click on Streamlabs app, which opens a dashboard to navigate through BioLector XT experiments. So here The aim is to select an experiment for which we want to extract the raw data from the BioLector XT. To extract raw data from experiment, I select the desired experiment and copy its ID into the first page. For example, this one. I click on Import BioLector experiment result, and almost immediately a button Open Constellab scenario appears. Indeed, it just generates me a scenario automatically containing several processes. The first one, BioLector download experiments, retrieve the raw data, here, and metadata folder using the experiment ID as input. These outputs are connected to another process called Generate Dashboard to visualize data from BioLector XT. This process creates a dashboard just like the one we explored earlier, with the same pages for viewing your results and performing analysis. That is for this dashboard. In this tutorial, we covered the entire pipeline, from extracting BioLector XT data to visualizing and analyzing it. I hope this tutorial helps you better navigate and analyze your BioLector XT results. If you found this video helpful, please share it with others and feel free to reach out if you want to test or explore it through our fair open access offer. Thanks for watching. We're excited to see what you will create with Constellab.